Hello and welcome to Web Tutorials channel. In this video we will learn how to install Composer on a Windows 11 operating system. Composer is the dependency manager for PHP. In order to use Composer, we need to install PHP in our system. So let's first install and set up PHP in our machine. Open your web browser and search PHP. Open the php.net link, which is the official website for PHP. Now as you can see, PHP 8.4 has been released. Go to downloads. If you scroll a little bit down, you can see this Windows downloads for PHP 8.4.1 version. So click on Windows downloads link. Here we can see the non-thread safe as well as the thread safe versions. We are going to use the thread safe versions. So click on the zip link corresponding to the thread safe version. So the download has been started. Wait until the download is complete. So the download is complete now. Go to downloads folder. You can see the downloaded file here. Right click and extract to folder. Now let's rename this folder to PHP 8.4.1. Okay, now copy this to C drive, program files. Now you will need to access permission, as it is the admin folder, which is C drive. So click continue. Now you can see this PHP 8.4.1 folder is copied into C program files. Now let's open this folder. Now click on this path and copy this path, and let's add this path to the system path, so that we can call this PHP executable directly from the command line, command prompt. Okay, so copy this one and from the search type environment. So we can see the edit system environment variables option. Click on that. Now go to environment variables. Now go to this path section and click edit. Click new and paste the path that we have copied, which is C program files PHP 8.4.1. Now click OK. OK again. OK. Now we can check this. Start the command prompt. In the command prompt, type command php --, version, which will show PHP 8.4.1, so that it means PHP is installed successfully. So as the next step, we can install Composer. For that, open a new tab and type Composer. Go to this first link, which is getcomposer.org. Click on this download button. You can read the Windows installer section. Download composer setup.exe. Click on this link. So the downloading has been started. Wait till the download is complete. So open the downloaded file. So double click on the composer setup.exe. We will select install for all users, which is recommended. Do you want to allow this app to make the changes to your device? Yes. Click next. So this is the settings check. It has automatically detected our PHP installation, which is C program files. If you remember, we have installed PHP into this path, C program files, PHP 8.4.1 /PHP, which is this is the PHP executable path. Click next. You can leave it as it is. Click next. So the setup is ready to install Composer. Click install. So you can read this information. You must open a new command window to use Composer for the first time. So we can click next. The Composer setup is finished. Finish command line, and we can open a new one because the old command line may not be aware of the changes that we have made. So type cmd command prompt. Now type composer -- version. Yeah, it's showing Composer version 2.8.3, which means Composer installation is successful. You can also type just Composer, and you will see a result like this, which shows all the associated commands with Composer. So that's all about Composer installation on Windows 11 operating system. Thank you for watching the video. If you find it useful, please like the video and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more similar videos. Thank you.